Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a glow effect only for a certain part of your body like the eye in CapCut. So first you just need to prepare the clip that you want to edit, then copy it. Now on the copied clips, go to mask, then select circle. Okay, now fit the circle into the eye. Okay, like this. And now drag the arrow a bit to have a blur effect like this. Click on invert, then click on the check icon and make it as overlay. Make the copied clip as overlay, then put it under the first clip. Now click on the overlay and go to adjust and lower the saturation of the clip to -50 like this, and then go to overlay again and then add a solid color like this as an overlay. You can actually choose any color that you want, but I'm going to use this orange color and put it here. I'm going to put it in here. Then go to mask again, select circle, and now drag the arrow, okay, like this, and fit the overlay into the eye. Okay, so after that, just click on the check icon and then go to layer, click on layer and select one. Click on the check icon and now go to the video effect. Click on the lens category and add the edge glow effect. This one, adjust it to 100. Now click on the check icon and then go to object and select overlay. Okay, so after this is optional, but you can follow it or use it or not. So I'm going to add the black flash effect that can be found under the nightclub category, black flash 2, this one, and adjust the speed 100, intensity 40. Okay, so now it is done and this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.